Okay, so I didn't want to make this video, but this happened.
But what the hell, boy?
No. Now you fucked up. Now you help me. Help me.
Yeah, they turned black, which is not good for fruit. No offense. I have a little plan actually. So I used to do like cookies, like protein cookies, I guess. And yeah, right now I'm gonna try to save these. Let's see what's inside. Actually, oh, they're good. They're good. They're a bit gooey. They're a bit gooey, which is, I don't know if that's good or not. Look. Oh, the head is ripped. Oh, this one doesn't look that good. Anyway, yeah, it's good. Ooh. Okay.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Yeah, so we're getting again some granola. I bought some maple syrup. Yes, I bought some maple syrup for this. And I used the rest of this oats. Get some nuts, maybe some. So either granola or muesli is kind of do both. Like, why not? A forky. Let's get that fork going. Yeah, now just like bash them all in like in a banana paste, I guess. This household hates bananas. Actually, we neglect a lot of food in this place. That's just what happens, you know. Especially when I'm like busy editing or like something. My mind is only focused on that, so I don't pay attention, make quick food like yogurt with granola or like whatever, like quick. Anyway, yeah, so we got our lovely paste. To get this done. Oh, yes, let's preheat our oven actually as well. Preheat this to 20 minutes. That paste. Yeah, hopefully I'm not gonna get food poisoned, I'm just saying. Syrup, get some of this. Oh yeah, got some black chocolate. Actually, I had some chocolate, I don't know why I bought some more. I guess I wanted black chocolate. What else? We can do some baking soda. And actually, yeah, I had some crushed up cinnamon here. Get some cinnamon up in there. Maybe a bit more, why not? I know Christmas is over, but my spirit is unbreakable. Soda. So like a couple of pinches. I never weigh out my shit. I don't have a plan. I'm just freestyling this bitch. 4 of them, I guess. You're not old enough to appreciate the black chocolate. I'm not even that old. Bro. Oh, it's a finger workout. Getting all this. Cool. That's it. Alright. Bro! Yeah, let's try muesli then. Goddamn, boy. Goddamn. Let's put some granola. I don't feel any cinnamon. Like zero. This is like healthy. I guess healthy-ish. Oh yeah, my oats. I forgot about my oats. It was literally dust. It's not even oats. Yeah. Cool. That's cool for me. Excuse me. Just add some nuts. Nice. Oh, actually, maybe I'll put some protein powder. Actually, why not? I have some overnight oats kind of thing. I'm just gonna put a scoop in there. A scoop of that. Okay, cool. Now, let's get this. Let's start plating. Let's start putting these.
You ready?
I like them big. I like them chunky. Bottom. Bottom was literally my hero. The fuck are you doing?
Okay, now they're all plated. Now we're gonna just pop him inside. Ooh. Should we do a time lapse of them cooking? Yeah, why not? Why not? Ooh. Can you shut the chill? Whoa. Can you look at this? Look at this. Bruh, I didn't spray the surface. Well, I'll still eat it. Cause like, it's either this or like fast food or like ready to eat meals that are just even more unhealthy. I would waste more money. You know, it's just not sustainable. Oh my god. It's thick. Let me try to get them out, like at least somehow. Is that good YouTube thumbnail? It's like, okay, let's try this. Black chocolate. Wish I had more oats. I need to buy some more oats. I was gonna make an iced coffee. 1 second. By the way, I make coffee related shorts, so check it out if you want to. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, that'll be it for this filler episode. I haven't done a cooking video for a long time. I just had to save the bananas, so yeah. Check out my other videos right now at the screen. Right now at the screen here.